In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase on Canva. This is a handy skill to master, especially when you're looking to refine your designs and get that perfect look. Whether you're tweaking images for personal projects or professional presentations, understanding how to effectively use the eraser tool in Canva will greatly enhance your design capabilities. Let's start by opening Canva and selecting the design you want to work on. Once you are in your project, navigate to the image you'd like to edit. You simply click on this image to select it. This action highlights the image, allowing you to access the various editing options Canva offers. Next, turn your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Edit button. Clicking on this button will bring up a sidebar filled with a range of options tailored to image manipulation. From adjustments to filters, there's a whole suite of tools ready for you to enhance your image. But today we're focusing on one particular feature, the Magic Eraser. Now before we move on, it's important to mention that the Magic Eraser tool is a Canva Pro feature. So if you're using a free account, you won't be able to access this without upgrading. However, if you do have access, the Magic Eraser is incredibly useful for refining your images. Once you've clicked on Edit, locate the Magic Eraser tool and select it. With the Magic Eraser in hand, you're now equipped to modify your image more precisely. The beauty of this tool is in its simplicity and ease of use. To begin erasing, all you need to do is click and drag across the part of the image you wish to remove. As you highlight these areas, you'll see them gradually disappear. This feature is particularly effective for touching up backgrounds, removing unwanted elements, or even isolating objects within your design. A few tips as you go through this process: be gentle and controlled with your highlighting. It's beneficial to go slowly and zoom in on your image if needed, allowing for greater accuracy and avoiding any accidental erasures. If you do happen to make a mistake, remember there's the undo button available to retrace your steps easily. It's a forgiving process that encourages a bit of experimentation to achieve the best results. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use the eraser tool in Canva to polish and perfect your designs. Once you've finished editing, you can proceed with your project, or if you're satisfied with the result, save and share your updated design. This simple yet effective method can make a significant difference in the quality of your images, giving you greater control and creativity over your visual projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.